Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New York, the dollar index gained on Friday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell adopted a hawkish tone to battling inflation, but did not settle the debate on how large a rate increase is likely at the U.S. Central Bank's September meeting. The U.S. economy will need tight monetary policy for some time before inflation is under control, which means slower growth, a weaker job market, and some pain for households. And business, Powell said on Friday in remarks that warned there is no quick cure for fast rising prices. The hope of a dovish pivot was quashed, at least for now. Powell needs to see more than just 1 month of improving inflation data, and he made it clear the continued tightening is the path he will take. Said Ryan Detrick, chief market strategist at Carson Group. Powell gave no indication of how high interest rates might rise before the Fed is finished. Only that they will move as high as needed as it seeks to bring down inflation to its 2% target. I think overall the Fed chairman was really hawkish, but not above and beyond what had been priced in, and I think the jury is still out on whether or not we see a 50 or 75 basis point rate hikes next month, said Joe Manimbo, senior market analyst at Confra in Washington. Jobs and inflation data for August that will be released before the Fed September 20 until 21 meeting will now be key to the size of the Fed's next rate increase. Manimbo added the dollar index rose to 100, up to 13% on the day, after earlier falling as low as 150 in is down from a 5-week hike of 100 on Tuesday and is holding below a 20-year high reached on July 14. The euro, the 0.1% hit has bounced from a 20-year on Tuesday. The dollar also gained. The dollar dropped earlier on Friday after data showed that U.S. consumer spending barely rose in July as a drop in gasoline prices weighed on receipts and service stations, and that monthly inflation slowed down considerably. Other data on Friday showed that U.S. consumer sentiment improved further in August on household. Near-term inflation expectation fell to an 8-month low. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic said on Friday that with data showing U.S. inflation is slowing, he is learning toward supporting a 50 basis point rate hike in September on the way toward getting the policy rate to 3% to 4% by year end. Fed funds future traders are pricing in a 60% chance of a Fed rate hike of another 75 basis points at its September meeting, compared with 45% before Powell's comments and a 40% probability of 50 basis point increase. The euro briefly hit a session hike against the Greenback airline on Friday, after Reuters reports that some European. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.